Northrop Grumman Corporation is an American global aerospace and defense technology company. It is one of the world's largest weapons manufacturers and military technology providers. Northrop Grumman's advanced weapons designs and produces advanced high-speed strike missiles and aircraft warfare systems. Not only this, it solves the toughest problems in space, aeronautics, defense, and cyberspace to meet the ever-evolving needs of our customers worldwide. In today's video, we are going to see about the latest update regarding the Northrop Grumman's Advanced Anti-Radiation Guided Missile Extended Range Program. This company was awarded $322.5 million for engineering and manufacturing the development for the Extended Range Advanced Anti-Radiation Guided Missile. And as per the latest update on the progress made, looks like Northrop Grumman Corporation recently completed its critical design review following successful design verification tests of the key components for the United States Navy's Advanced Anti-Radiation Guided Missile Extended Range Program. The design verification tests were for the rocket motor and warhead along with the CDR verified subsystem and system level performance. These tests were important to informing the critical design review and verifying the performance of the missile. The design verification tests of the rocket motor were conducted at extreme cold and hot temperature conditions and successfully demonstrated the required propulsion performance. Testing of the warhead successfully demonstrated the lethality performance. By leveraging the Advanced Anti-Radiation Guided Missile, the Advanced Radiation Guided Missile Extended Range Program with a new rocket motor and warhead will provide advanced capability to detect and engage long-range adversary air defense systems. Just to give an overview about this missile, as we saw the update regarding its testing, the Northrop Grumman's Advanced Anti-Radiation Guided Missile is a supersonic air-launched tactical missile system. It has the capability to perform destruction of enemy air defense missions and is an upgrade to the US Navy AGM-88 HARM system. The AARGM is able to rapidly engage traditional and advanced land and sea-based air defense threats, as well as a non-radar, time-sensitive strike targets. Northrop Grumman's potential material solution to the US Navy's Advanced Anti-Radiation Guided Missile Extended Range requirement utilizes the existing Advanced Anti-Radiation Guided Missile sensors, electronics, and warhead. So which aircrafts are being integrated with this particular system? The Advanced Anti-Radiation Guided Missile is currently deployed with the US Navy and US Marine Corps on the McDonnell Douglas F/A-18C/D Hornet, the Boeing F/A-18E/F Super Hornet, the Boeing EA-18G Growler, and then comes the Lockheed Martin F-35A or B or C series. Not only this, the Advanced Anti-Radiation Guided Missile is also integrated on the Italian Air Force Tornado electronic combat aircrafts. So that was all about the latest update on Northrop Grumman Corporation's Extended Range Advanced Anti-Radiation Guided Missile Design Verification Tests of key components. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.